Hi there viewers and welcome to the Repair It, Don't Wreck It channel. Today I'm working on a 2010 Ford Fusion with a big 2.5 liter engine. The hold down clips for the rear seat cushion were damaged when I tried to remove it in order to hide a wire for a rear dash cam installation. I thought to release it was a matter of pulling the front of the seat vertically up, not knowing there was more to it. Not so. There's a black release lever that needs to be pulled forward to disconnect the latch that's on the front of the seat. On the back of the seat, you can see there's a black steel rod hidden under the foam. The two hooks on the car engage into this rod. I'm going to release the clip on the driver's side first since it still functions. Pulling the black lever toward the rear door on the driver's side of the car. Then I can lift the front of the seat up off the clip. The passenger side is broken, so I can just lift the seat up. Once both of the front latches are released, push the seat back towards the car and lift. This move should unhook the seat, allowing you to lift it up and out of the car. I'm using a small screwdriver to pry this clip out. Now that the clip is out, let's have a closer look at it. You can see that it is damaged. That's why it came out fairly easily. Installing the new clip is straightforward. Just align it in the slot in the chassis of the car and push it in. Make sure the black lever is facing toward the front of the car. The passenger side was real tough to get out. I couldn't squeeze both of the tabs to release the clip, so I just grabbed a pair of pliers and twisted it out. You can squeeze the tabs, but totally impossible once it's installed in the car. You may need to get an extra set of hands, but still, I have my doubts. Here's a close-up of the hooks that lock onto the back of the seat. When the seat is in position, you push it towards the back of the car and then push down. The steel seat rod should grab onto the hook when it rebounds back. With the seat in place, locate the seat belts. Align those seat belts with the seat cover slots. Push the seat towards the rear of the car and down to get it to hook onto the black rods that I had previously showed. You can see how much I pushed down before I pulled forward. Make sure it's locked into place. On the front driver's side, locate the black lever and push the seat down. It didn't catch. Do it again. This time I gave it a good push with my elbow and that did the trick. Passenger side is exactly the same. Here is a close-up view of what is going on. You can see the black lever on the clip. Push the seat slightly forward to get it to hook into the slot. Pull the lever towards the center of the car and then push down so it engages. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And as always, repair it. Don't wreck it. Thanks for watching.